When the ground trembles, history listens. And on Wednesday, Russia rode into the record books. A colossal 8.8 magnitude earthquake struck Russia's far eastern Kamchatka Peninsula, one of the most powerful seismic events ever recorded on Earth. Let that number sink in. 8.8. This isn't just big, it's planet shaking. At dawn, the Earth under the Pacific exploded. The epicenter? Just 136 kilometers off the coast of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. The force? Enough to jolt 180,000 residents into the streets, furniture slammed to the ground, cars rocked as if hit by invisible waves, mirrors shattered, balconies shuddered, and then the water came. A 13-foot tsunami smashed into the coastline. Sirens blared, evacuation orders raced from Russia to Japan to Alaska to Hawaii. This was not a drill. In Hawaii, the ocean heaved. A 4-foot wave struck Halewa, Oahu. In Japan, over 900,000 people across 133 municipalities were told, "Get out now." Japan's chief cabinet secretary didn't mince words.
本日8時25分ごろ、カムチャッカ半島付近を震源とするマグニチュード 8.7 の地震が発生いたしました。この地震に伴い、北海道から和歌山県の太平洋側の沿岸に津波警報が発表され、高いところで3メートル程度の津波が予想されております。
This wasn't just Russia's crisis. It was the Pacific Rim's shared nightmare. So where does it rank? The Russian quake now sits tied for 6th among the strongest ever measured by modern science. And the list it joins? A roll call of devastation. Chile, 1960, 9.4 to 9.6. The most powerful quake in recorded history. Tsunamis hit Hawaii, Japan and the Philippines. Over 1,600 dead. Alaska's earthquake of 1964, magnitude 9.2. The infamous Good Friday quake lasted 4.5 minutes, triggered Pacific-wide tsunamis. The Indian Ocean earthquake of 2004, magnitude 9.1. A monster of Sumatra, the tsunami that followed killed 280,000 people. Japan's 2011 earthquake, magnitude 9.0 to 9.1. The Tohoku quake triggered the Fukushima nuclear disaster. The 1952 earthquake of Kamchatka, Russia. Yes, the same region, with a 9 magnitude, a seismic hotspot. The 2010 earthquake of Mole, Chile, magnitude 8.8, killed 500 plus and destroyed over 370,000 homes. In 2025, Russia's Kamchatka gets hit again. This one, the recent monster, joins the Chile quake of 2010 on the list. Incredibly, no deaths have been reported so far from Kamchatka. That's not luck, that's preparation. Russia's emergency system, tsunami warnings and mass evacuations saved lives. Still, aftershocks continue, some over 6.9 in magnitude. The ground is restless, but experts say stronger tremors aren't expected for now. This quake was a reminder that no matter how powerful nations grow, the Earth is still the boss. From Kamchatka's icy coast to the warm beaches of Oahu, the message was clear. The planet still holds power beyond imagination. With Rishika Aradhya, Bureau Report, India Today Global.